Hello, and welcome to the AI Advice channel. Today we're doing something a bit different. I'm in whiteboard style. This particular style comes with a host of advantages that make it perfect for simplifying complex ideas. They say a picture can convey more than 1,000 words, but just think about the impact of adding animation. It not only captures more attention, but also adds an air of elegance and professionalism, making any information instantly more engaging. So, if you're interested in learning how to create videos in this unique style, be sure to stick around for this tutorial video. The best part? It won't cost you a thing. Today we're going to break down our guide into 3 parts: Animaker, Canva, and CapCut. Let's begin with Animaker. To get started, open Animaker and log in. Once you're connected, you'll see various templates that you can use for your project. Today we'll choose the character option. Here you'll have the opportunity to create your very own character. You can choose how you want them to look. For this example, I'll select a young character. The fun really starts when you begin customizing them to your liking. Once you're satisfied with your character's appearance, save it. Animaker is a versatile tool that allows you to create a wide range of videos with special effects. You can let your creativity run wild. But for today's tutorial, I'll use just our character. Select how many characters you want to use in your project, and then customize their poses and facial expressions. When you have all the elements you need, you can go ahead and download your video. Here you have the option to save your video as an MP4 or GIF. There you go. In the second part, we're going to explore Canva. Let's log into Canva and choose the Videos option, then select YouTube Video. Click on Upload to choose the video or GIF we created in Animaker. Here, we can trim the video to include only the image of our character and reduce its duration using the scissors icon. Now, it's time for Canva to work its magic. Click on Animate and select Create an Animation. Here, we can define the trajectory we want for our image. In this example, I'm making our character walk to the center. Let's add a new page by clicking the plus symbol to create continuity in our video. Next, we'll need a bit of patience to position our character correctly. Note that in this cut, there's a part where our character overlaps. To fix this, go to Shapes and select a white square, then position it to cover the problematic area. Remember to group these 2 objects. Now let's move on to adding text to our video. Go to Elements and search for Hand with a Pencil. Choose one that you like, or you can search on Google for a PNG format. If the arm looks too short, you can lengthen it by copying and pasting, then trimming it down. Repeat this process until you're satisfied with the result and group the objects. Now let's write the text. Go to Animate and select Typewrite. Let's work some magic with Animate again and create an animation. Animate the hand to simulate that it's writing. To enhance this effect, you can go to the 3 dots next to the text and select Show Timing to make adjustments to the animation's timing. You can also add audio for the walking or writing sound effects. But please note that this feature may require a paid subscription. Alternatively, you can use the software CapCut to add audio later. With patience and adjustments, you can create your video. Once you're satisfied, you can proceed to download it. Now, it's time for the grand finale, using CapCut to add that awesome crumpled paper effect. First things first, fire up CapCut to begin the magic. Import the Canva video you've crafted, that crumpled paper image you found online and saved. And here's the exciting part. I've also imported a custom-made crumpled paper video for today's tutorial. If you'd like access to that, simply let us know in the comments below. Let's start with the paper image. Drag and drop your Canva video into CapCut and do the same with the crumpled paper image. Adjust the image's size to match your video's dimensions. Now let's add some flair. Select the paper image, navigate to the Blend option, and choose Darken to achieve the desired effect. Fine-tune the opacity to find that sweet spot that suits your style. For an even more captivating touch, consider using the crumpled paper video. It's like adding a layer of enchantment to your video canvas. Once you've infused that crumpled paper magic and your video looks as stunning as you envisioned, it's time to save your masterpiece for the world to see. Now, with your enhanced and uniquely edited video, you're all set to shine online. Don't forget to share your creation with the world and let your creativity take center stage. And I have a special surprise for you. If you want to make the most of Animaker's features, the fantastic platform we use to kickstart our video creation journey, you can take advantage of an exclusive discount. Animaker is a versatile and user-friendly tool that allows you to bring your creative visions to life with ease. Whether you're making educational videos, marketing content, or just want to add some flair to your projects, Animaker has you covered. Simply click on the link in the description below to secure your special discount on Animaker. But before we wrap things up, if you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed the creative journey, please consider giving us a thumbs up and hitting that follow button. It helps me continue bringing you more tutorials like this. And now it's time for me to sign off.